Stephen is with me. With a great great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't Stephen say, Mama, I love you. Love mama naman. It. Higap nga, isa pa. Oh, come here, hug. Hug mama. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ay, teka. Ito naman. Di ba dapat ang sunod? Routine natin. Kili-kili. I want my kili-kili. Akin na yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember ha? Remember kahit anong mangyari, love na love ka ni mama. Kahit anong mangyari ha? Minsan masungit si mama, but love ka ni mama, ha? Remember that. O, yan. O, wag mong pindutin yan. O, remember? Okay? Mama needs your love, your help, and to listen. Wag makulit, ha? Diyan tayo nag-aaway pag makulit. And, ang pinaka-importante, teka muna, pinaka-importante, wag mong kakalimutan yung turo ni mama sa'yo. Always pray. Paano pray? Hindi ganyan ang pray. Pray for help, love, Papa God. Love, Papa God. Love you, Papa God. What do you tell Mama? Mama, I love you. I love you too. Tatlo kiss dapat. Nose. Look at me. I love you. Okay. Ganun dun. Patuloy na tayo. Usual routine po namin yan. Anong anak ko, oh. What, Stephen? That one? Okay. Love you po.